Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So as you can see right now, I just got delivered my LG Ultrawide monitor curved from Costco, and this was a little, I would say less than $300. I don't know the exact price, but I can find out and put it over here. But yeah, this is my first ultra wide or wider monitor. Instead of having two monitors, I decided to get one, and it's this big, as you can see here. It's pretty big actually. I just want to come here and show you this assembly process, how fast it takes, and what comes within this box. So yeah, let me give a quick review. As you see here, this is the monitor, and this is 34 inch, as you can see here. Okay, it comes with this piece that goes at the back, and the manual is right here. And then it comes with the charger, all that stuff, and the manual, and this is some kind of a base. So I'm gonna follow this manual right here. So this stick thingy, this one, goes right over here, and I'm gonna put it in and show you guys. All right, so it seems like the top, there's like a different this one's a flatter on the top, if you notice, and this is like a hook at the bottom. So I'm thinking this goes here. Let me try and see. So as you push that thing, you see that black thingy, it gets pushed above. So yeah, so let me do that and I'll show you right now. I don't want to mess this up. Okay, let me use both of my hands and come back real quick. Okay, change your plan. So this is the base, and this thing over here goes here. Okay. Okay, see. All right, if you see, this is the base and that's the back, and there's a little thing over here. You just have to screw it, that, and that way you have a secure base. Okay, and then just twist it, and then so that it does not bother on the surface, right? It doesn't have something there, so you just tip it like that. So yeah, now it's pretty safe. Now put it over here. All right, I could not show you guys, but it was easier for me to put the base and then the screen on top, and it was super easy. Like I showed you earlier, the hook goes at the bottom, or yeah, either way, you'll figure it out, right? And then this thing comes up, so in case you want to pull it out, I believe you just press it and then just pull it out, and that's about it. This is the setup. Let me really quickly show you guys the screen quality, how it is, and how many HDMI cables. It has only one, and yeah, that's it. Another thing I want to mention is you can also slide it down and up according to your preference, however lower you want the monitor to be, and that's the highest it can go. And it's pretty high actually. If you see from the base, it's like pretty high. So yeah. And I think you can also tilt it. Let me try do it and show you guys. Okay, if you see, you can just like tilt, right? And then just, yeah, like that. I'm using one hand. That's why you might not be able to see it properly, but you are able to up and down. Yeah. And you can also like tilt it if you want, which you might not want to do that, but just saying that you can just rotate around. Yeah, it's a very cute setup. So let me set it up with my Mac Pro and see. Comes with a charger and one HDMI cable, and I think this might be something to hold the wires and stuff like that, I think. Or maybe, yeah, I think something like here. That's my best guess, but we'll see. I will mention one thing, that the wire is not that long. It's pretty short. If you just see, like, it's this long. And yeah, I'm gonna use a multi-plug and plug it to my wall, because you know it's not that, it's like it's not even getting from here to there. So yeah, my bad that it was not an HDMI cable, but this is the other cable. I don't know what that is name, but yeah, it doesn't look like an HDMI cable. But anyways, we only have 2 ports, so I have a spare HDMI cable. I'm gonna use that, and yeah. All right, I have set it up here and it looks amazing. It's a very big screen, like I'm telling you guys, it's pretty big. I have like too many windows open here just to show you guys, and yeah, That's my channel, and I think it is very good. I love the quality, and this one does not come with a speaker, but yeah. So yep, that was it. And as I said, this is pure monitor only, no speaker, and it's a pretty good deal, like under $300. It wasn't that bad. And there's another one too, but that's purely for gaming, and I didn't want much for gaming. It's more like for editing and documents and all that stuff. So yeah, this is a pretty good deal, and I love it. So I can give you guys a review after a month or so, and let me know if you do want that too. But yeah, and if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I am almost 600 subscribers. I really want to get to 1,000, and yeah, help your girl out there. All right, we'll see you next time. Until then, take care. Bye.